Welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain MARKETWATCH app review to see with what you're using. So in this video I'm going to create a quick in-depth review about this mobile platform, which is MARKETWATCH. So to get started, the MARKETWATCH app is a powerful tool for tracking real-time financial news, stock market update, and investment data. It offers live market codes, customizable watch list, and breaking news alerts, making it ideal for investors and traders who want to stay ahead of financial trends. The user interface is clean, and you can follow specific stock sectors or even journalists for tailored update. It also includes articles and analysis from experienced financial writers, which is great for decision making. However, the app can sometimes feel cluttered with hats, and some features like in-depth data and premium content require a subscription. It also had more news focused for analytics, and so active trader may find it lacking in advanced chart tools. And here's the conclusion. The app worth it if you want a quick, reliable financial news and market update on the go, but not a full replacement for advanced trading platform. And that's it.